Happy Thursday evening. We got our push rods in for our 311 small block Ford. Had Smith Brothers make these, and I went ahead and got 3/8 for the intake side and 7/16 for the exhaust side. So we're going to get these opened up, get them washed inside and out, and got our little buddy sitting here, and we're going to put our rocker arms on, or I'm sorry, put our push rods in, lube everything up really good, set the valves, prime the pump, and get her ready for the dyno. All right, so this is one of our intake push rods, and I got some lube on the end of it, and got them all in. What I suggest doing at this point is to grab a pin light and search down the hole and make sure that the push rods are seated. This is a very common mistake that guys make, is the push rod can ride on the, depending on how the lifter is made, the push rod can ride on the edge of the push rod cup, and you can actually cause some damage that way. So double check everything, make sure it looks right. After you verify all that, I like to put a good bit of this, I use Joe Gibbs engine assembly grease for these higher contact areas, and you just want to coat both ends of the push rod as well as the valve stems, especially on these higher spring pressure engines where a lot of wear could occur. And we'll go through here and get all this done, get everything lubed up, and then start bolting our rocker arms down. I want to give props to Smith Brothers. They initially told me that it would be a 2-week turnaround on these push rods, and they actually had them made in a couple of days for me and sent out. So appreciate the, I wasn't expecting on being able to finish this up this soon, but thanks to them. Generally, I've had excellent service from both Smith Brothers and Trend, and there's been many times where they have quoted me a lead time and far exceeded my expectations on that. So just good guys all the way around. I've never dealt with Manton, but they have an excellent reputation as well. And there we go. And we're going to start putting our rocker arms on. So the best way to do this on this type of rocker is to just roll the engine over until you see both push rods are down. Both lifters are on the heel of the cam lobes, and set your rocker arms in place. And what I usually do is put some lubricant on the bolts, run those down, torque them, and then back out the adjuster, and then run through the Evo method. Remember that we've talked about in the past videos, and set the lash. Go ahead and set those. These valves run 14 on the intake and 16 on the exhaust. So just remember, iron block aluminum heads, you gain 0.6 of lash from cold to hot. So I'll set these at 8 and 10 cold. All right, passenger side is done. Again, we roll through using the Evo method to run the valves. Set the intake when the exhaust valve is opening, set the exhaust when the intake valve is closing. Set for cold lash, and button her down. We're going to run over to the other side and get that done. And then we're going to prime the oil pump. As you can see, we went 7/16 push rod on the exhaust side, 3/8 on the intake side. Still have plenty of room there, so we're in good shape. All right, so we are primed up, and we got a nice little trickle of oil from each rocker arm. We are in good shape there. not prime until I see something come out from each one, just to know that we're good. Not much left to do now. I'm gonna bump it over and get the timing where it needs to be on the balancer, and then I could drop in my distributor, bolt my valve covers down for the last time, and get my plug wires back on. So this is pretty much it, and I'm gonna try to get this one dynoed soon, and I'm pretty jazzed on finding out how much horsepower it's gonna make. I think I'm gonna do a little contest to see who can guess the horsepower and the torque, and maybe give away a prize if somebody nails both of them dead on. We'll think about that. But thank you guys for watching. This has been a good build, and appreciate you hanging with me. And hopefully here pretty soon we'll get to hear it ordered live. Hope you have a good weekend. I may have a couple more videos for you this week, but if not, enjoy your weekend. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button.